We are the Oregon State Blacksmithing Club, and this is our entry for the 2019 TMS Bladesmithing Competition. The Bowie knife was named after James Bowie, who gained fame for defeating several opponents as a second in a botched duel in 1827 after receiving several wounds, including gunshot and impalement. After the newspapers caught on to the story, everyone wanted a knife like Bowie's. The knife went through several patterns before becoming what we now know today as a classic Bowie shape. We cleaned up the billet and cut it in 3 pieces and stacked it all together to re-weld it, so there should be 153 layers in this billet. And then we spent quite a bit of time drawing it out and flattening it and smoothing it. Now we're going to take it over to the mill, and we're going to use some ball nose end mills and drill a bunch of holes in it. See how it goes.
Yeah, we'll use the flat. Alright, so what we just did is we drilled a bunch of different diameter holes into the surface of our billet, and what this will do is it'll create a raindrop pattern on our Damascus billet. So let's go see what happens.
On the edge?
Close-up of that. So I was responsible for the shaping and finishing of the knife. So I took the rough forged blank, profiled the edge, cut in this cool harpoon swedge here, and got the handle shape up to where we wanted it, flattened it, ground in the bevels, and then after that was done, it was ready for the heat treat. Heat treated the blade. The heat treat went all right. At the end of the day, we're happy about that. The entire process kind of starts over and refinishing everything up to a 400 grit finish on the blade here before the etch to reveal the Damascus pattern. I also glued together the multi-piece handle and shaped that. Those are downstairs right now, but basically finishing everything. And this knife, if it was going to be used, would be ready for an edge. But other than that, we just need to attach the handle, and then it'll be ready to go.